Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rashita from my channel Harshavin. Guys, I'm very excited to unbox the package from the Temu because this is the very first time I'm ordering some products from Temu. So I just want to see how the quality is, how the shipping and all. So I ordered some products from Temu. If you don't know, Temu is an e-commerce service which ships worldwide and it is located in Boston, USA. So guys, the very first product. And if you're a new app user, you'll get lot many discounts. And I was most surprised by looking after its prices. So I ordered two products from there, just want to check it. So this is the first one. It's a layered chain. Also guys, the Temu shipping is now available in South Africa from this January. By outer package it looks well. So guys, moving forward I'm gonna wear it and show you. So keep watching. Coming to this Temu app or Temu page, you can see literally a lot many products and you can see with the very minimal price. So I was literally shocked whether it's true or not. So it looks fine. This chain is good. I got this for 29 rands, but after 20% of coupon, I got this for only 22 rands. Also, let me tell you guys, this Temu warehouse is not available in South Africa. So this package is from international package. So once you get a international package, there will be a customs you need to pay. I meant to say some amount of tax or customs need to pay, because when the package arrive at airport, your package will not released due to the tax payment. You need to pay a tax, only then your package will be released. So guys, this is the second product I ordered from the Temu. This is an bag. You can also consider this as a sling bag or a cross bag. The quality was good. You can see the quality is okay, fine. And here is the strap. The product price is 176, but after 20% of discount I got this for only 140 rand. Just imagine guys, only for 100 plus bucks you don't get anything in South Africa. So here it has 3 compartments and it is of good quality too. Moving forward, I'm gonna show you by wearing too. So I literally impressed with these bags because even the price of the product is good and even the quality of the product is also good. I'm satisfied. Only thing is you need to pay the tax or customs, and I paid almost 64 rands for the tax. But if I calculated the total price, that is 164 plus 64, it is almost 228. But yeah, it's worth to buy because for 228 you will not get a single bag with a good quality here. So I think definitely it's worth to buy. If you guys want to try Temu app, then the product link will be on my description. If you sign up, you'll get a lot of benefits. So do try this. Thank you.